In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new Jira Cloud workspace and launch your first project the right way. If you're trying to move your team away from scattered spreadsheets and disconnected chat threads, Jira can give you a much cleaner system for planning, tracking, and collaborating. The good news is that getting started is much easier than it used to be, as long as you make a few smart choices at the beginning. First, open your preferred web browser and go to atlassian.com/software/Jira. When the Jira homepage loads, click. Get it free to begin creating your cloud site. From there, choose the product options that fit your team. Then set up your site address. During this process, follow the email verification and account prompts to finish creating your Jira cloud space. This is the foundation for everything else, so take a moment to make sure the site name is something clear and professional. Once you're signed in, Jira will guide you into the project setup wizard. This is where you choose the framework that matches how your team works. If your team plans work in timed sprints, select Scrum. If your team prefers a continuous flow of tasks, choose Kanban. After that, decide whether you want a company-managed project, which gives administrators more centralized control, or a team-managed project, which is usually faster and simpler for smaller teams to customize on their own. Next, enter your project details. In the project name field, type a clear name that reflects the purpose of the workspace. Jira will automatically generate a project key based on that name. This key becomes part of your issue IDs, so it's worth checking that it looks clean and easy to recognize. When everything looks right, click Create Project. After the project opens, you'll land on your board. Jira usually starts with a basic workflow, but you can adjust it to better match your team's process. Click the plus sign on the far right side of the board to add a new column, then enter a status such as code review or QA validation. You can also drag the column headers left or right to put your workflow in the order that makes the most sense. If you want to bring teammates in quickly, go to the top menu and open people, then choose Invite Teammates. Paste in your team's work email addresses separated by commas, assign the appropriate access level, and send the invites. This is a fast way to get everyone into the workspace without adding people one at a time. Before you wrap up, open the backlog from the left sidebar and do a final review. Confirm that the project name is correct, the issue key matches your project prefix, your board columns are in the right order, and your invited users appear properly. Once that's done, your Jira workspace is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.